how to share your screen with Google AI Studio. So you should be able to do it in your live playground. So you can go ahead over here, choose this Google model, which is real-time voice and video with live API. Just press on that, and then you can choose the share screen. At this point, you can go ahead and choose which screen to share with your Google Studio. You could choose from your Microsoft Edge tab, a specific window that's opened up in your device, or the entire screen. Then that's pretty much it. You type in your question related to what is appearing on your shared screen. In our case, we went for a very simple question saying what's on my shared screen, and it is a YouTube video. You're sharing a YouTube video with the lyrics, and it's showing the lyrics on the screen, and a My Mix playlist open at the bottom. So in simple terms, it turns your screen into something the AI can understand in a way and respond to in real time or from a recording. So it's of course going to be useful like tutorial help, troubleshooting apps, reviewing designs even, so you could even share your app while you're trying to build it. But that's pretty much how you can share your screen with Google AI Studio. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully it helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.